Hello, in this video I'll discuss completely and shortly on Ember.Js. Let's get started. What is Ember.Js? Ember.Js is an open source JavaScript front-end web framework utilizing a component service pattern. It allows developers to create scalable single-page web applications by incorporating common idioms, best practices, and patterns from other single-page app ecosystem patterns into the framework. It was developed by Ember core team. Ember.Js was first released on December 8, 2011. Advantages of Ember.Js. Number 1. The size of the package ecosystem of Ember is well developed. Number 2. One can be sure of finding the right ones for solving his or her issues. Number 3. The command line interface for ambitious web applications of Ember will allow one to interact with computer's operating system, which will provide him with a project structure featuring great add-ons, thus making fast rebuilds and live reloads. Number 4. Ember.Js uses the notion of conventions over configuration, which may restrict the developer's freedom, but it will make a fantastic choice when it comes to enhancing one's productivity. Number 5. Ember.Js has around 900 contributors on GitHub, plus more than 24,000 queries on Stack Overflow. Number 6. Ember planned to release a new Ember edition every single focusing on a specific theme. Ember Octane is one of them, which is related to performance and productivity. It will be simpler to learn Ember, smaller and faster to work with. Number 7. Ember has nested UIs. Number 8. Ember works well with large application ecosystems. Number 9. Ember has faster boot times and inherent stability. Number 10. Ember has friendly docs and API. Disadvantages of Ember.Js. Number 1. Ember.Js is tough to learn. Number 2. The framework is highly opinionated. Number 3. Ember has suffered stagnation in favor during the last several years, and it has also failed to attract any new developers. Number 4. The learning curve here is steep. Number 5. Ember is not suitable for smaller projects. Companies that use Ember.Js. Several big companies such as Square, Yahoo, Groupon, Dockyard, or Gendex uses Ember.Js. You might have listened about some of them. They use this framework for developer productivity, which is important for them. Should you choose Ember.Js? If you want to learn a useful framework, then Ember is okay. But you have to remember that it's tough. So it's your choice that you will learn this framework or not. Hope you have enjoyed this video. You can like this video and subscribe to this channel. I have a blog site where I discuss more about these contents. You can visit there. The link of the site is given in the description below. You can also like our Facebook page and Instagram and Twitter. Hope you have a nice and good day. Goodbye.